The Keychron K3 Max is an impressive option for those seeking a compact and versatile wireless mechanical keyboard that doesn't compromise on performance or design. Priced at $105, this keyboard offers a minimalist and sleek profile with mechanical keys that provide excellent tactility, making it a great choice for both work and play. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current keyboard or trying a new type of mechanical switch, the Keychron K3 Max stands out with its functionality and style. One of the standout features of the K3 Max is its low-profile design, which not only contributes to its sleek look, but also provides a more comfortable typing experience. The mechanical keys offer excellent feedback, and with two types of switches to choose from, you can pick between a quieter or more clicky feel depending on your preference. This versatility makes the K3 Max ideal for a wide range of users, whether you're a professional typing for hours or a gamer who values responsive keys. The K3 Max is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, allowing users to switch between platforms effortlessly. There's a dedicated switch that lets you toggle between the two operating systems, and the package includes a swappable Windows and Command key to make sure you're fully equipped for whichever system you're using. This cross-platform compatibility means that you don't have to worry about any software limitations or compatibility issues. The keyboard also features onboard illumination, making it easy to work or play in low-light environments. The backlighting adds a touch of style while ensuring you can see your keys no matter the lighting conditions. The K3 Max's battery life is impressive as well. With several days of usage between charges, you won't have to constantly worry about recharging the keyboard. And if you do need to plug it in, it also offers wired USB-C functionality for a more traditional connection. For $105, the Keychron K3 Max provides a premium typing experience in a compact form factor. Its minimalist design, customizable switch options, and long-lasting battery make it a strong contender for anyone in the market for a new keyboard. Whether you're a remote worker, a student, or a gamer, this wireless mechanical keyboard will meet your needs without taking up too much desk space. If you're looking for the best of both worlds, performance and portability, the K3 Max should be on your radar.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.